Hindi kami manan.
No vaping.
Sino to si Saint? Yan na. No vaping, no smoking. St. Joseph. Kami sa 1,300 steps. Papunta dun sa statue. Sunod na yung mga ibang kasama. Sir, say bilis! So, 1,300 steps with Apple Liver and other teachers of Holy Spirit. Ay. Kaya namin to 1,300. 185 steps dun sa kabila.
Kaya to, mami, lupat niya ka na ba, bridge? Tama, nasus to!
O, 1,299 na to yun. Nandun yung mga iba. Yung mga baliw. Sumunod sa amin. Dito sa 1,300 steps. Stations of the Cross. The Holy Family. O, nandito na kami sa 1,300. Wala pa pala sa kalahati ito. Kapagod umakyat. Ay, dito pala sa 1,300 steps. Nandito yung 14 Stations of the Cross. Matadaanan namin. Uy, may rest house dun, oh. May rest house. Ay, CR pala, comfort room. May comfort room. Nandun, oh. Yes. Oh, nandito na yung first Station of the Cross. The Last Supper. Papunta na kami sa second Station of the Cross. Second station. Ito na yung Kawampaysa. Second Station of the Cross. Yan. Second Station of the Cross. Gagawin in the garden. Off. Nandito na. Third Station of the Cross. Yan. Fourth Station. The Scourging and Crowning with Thorns. Saan po? Na kami sa pinakatuktok. Dito sa tuktok. Kita nyo naman, no? Yung dagat. Pababa na kami. Papunta na kami sa 5th Station of the Cross. Station of the Cross. Jesus receives the cross. Oh, palingo. Diyan, no? Alam niyo mga to? 6th Station of the Cross. Malapit na kami. Nandun na, oh. Ay. Jesus falls under the weight of the cross. Nandun na. Ay. Nandiyan ang dagat dito sa baba. Dagat na dito sa baba namin. Yan. So malapit na rin kami sa 7th Station. Nandito na kami sa 7th Station of the Cross. Simon of Cyrene carries the cross of Jesus. Nandun, oh. Ay, nandun. So nasa kalahati pa lang kami ng Station of the Cross. Stations of the Cross pala. Nandun. Sino ba itong nasa harap? Ano ba yan? Nandito na kami sa 8th Station. Jesus meets the Pious women of Jerusalem. Diyan, oh. 8th Station. And nandito na rin kami sa 9th Station. Jesus nailed to the cross. May sa tikrosen.
Success is done.
Oh, mapangkamikikuan. 10th Station of the Cross. Dito na. Nasaan na yung 10th Station? Yan, nandyan pa. Ano yun? Station, 10th Station. Then Station 11. Oh, Station 11. Mary and John at the foot of the cross. 12th Station. The 13th Station. Jesus laid in the tomb. Ayan, no? Diyan eh. Nandun. Dito na yung last station. Jesus rises from the death.